Not quite sure the YouTube etiquette when it comes to, this intro. Like, do you have to say, "Hi everybody on YouTube, this is Wingnut"? It just seems counterproductive to me. But then again, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright YouTube, so what I'm doing today is I'm heading on up to the Peninsula Volkswagen Club's monthly meeting. First Sunday of every month at Angelo's Steakhouse, or Steak and Pancake House. What I'm going to do is I'm going to briefly cover, once I get on the interstate, more about the Atlas Throttle Lock, since I actually want to do a review on it. Of course, those of you that have watched the last couple of videos know that I purchased an Atlas Throttle Lock and installed it. It's available from atlasthrottlelock.com. It's about $135. I paid extra to have like second day shipping so I could have it while I was taking a little bit of time off from work. Installs. Now, the install video, which I'll add a link in the description for, is quite easy. I mean, the video, it's as easy as the video shows it to be. It's not like one of those YouTube videos where you go and, oh yeah, it looks really easy and it's really complicated. It's not. Follow the directions supplied with the throttle lock and with the video itself, and you'll find it's very, very easy to install. It took like 2.5 minutes, and I quite enjoy it. I ended up installing it with the large bar, with the middle notch on the large bar, and having to use the thinnest friction pad. It works really simple. You set it where it's comfortable for your thumb to rest, which for me is right here. You rotate the throttle where you want it, you lock it in and push up, that locks in. To release it, you push in and rotate and pull your thumb down slightly and it pops out. It can be adjusted once it's set. It can be overridden. It's just simply a soft rubber pad or silicone pad rubbing up against the housing right here, this thing, of the controls, hold on, the throttle housing. There we go. So here in a moment, I'll be where you can see me using it. So kind of spent the day wrenching on Project Broken Whing. Of course, posted all my updates to Twitter and Facebook, and she's almost done. She needs a set of tires, an inspection, because Virginia requires inspections for their vehicles, and tags, and then it's ready to go. So yeah. All right, interstate. We're going to engage the throttle lock, in and up, set. In and down, not set. So let's find a good cruising speed. Now, mine is really, really stiff, and that's because, they tell you to take that measurement to make sure it's at least 3 credit card widths, and mine is just a hair tight on that. So because of that, my little friction pad is just a hair thick. Other than that though, I mean, as you can see, we're holding speed on the interstate, and this hand is free. That's gonna be such a nice break on long rides. So folks, I'm gonna tell you right now, the Atlas Throttle Lock works. It is absolutely a fantabulous piece of equipment. It's not cheap plastic. It's not flimsy. It's not bike specific. It has quite literally lived up to everything they advertised when I first saw the Throttle Lock. So if you're looking to get a Throttle Lock for your motorcycle and you think my opinion means something, I highly recommend the Atlas Throttle Lock. Oh, somebody's there changing the tire. So yeah, Atlas Throttle Lock. Get yours today. Just to be clear, I bought this out of my own pocket. I'm getting nothing for what I'm saying. This is my personal opinion. Your mileage may vary. Crisp spring air, courtesy of Mother Nature. Bump, 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 bumpity bumpity bump. Oh. Can you hear the reverb? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. So what I mean by adjustment, so I want to go a little faster, I turn a little faster. If I want to go slower, I turn a little slower. If you like what I got to say, you've been listening, subscribe, you know, give me a like, give me a dislike. I don't care. It's on you. Have a great one.